Okay, excuse the rather shabby video, but I finally, after about a month of having these wheels, just got my frame back from Carbon Repair, who'd just been doing some work on the rear derailleur area, the dropouts, and I finally put on the new Carbon Pro Exalith, whatever it's called, wheels. I tried to find some videos of this on the web when I was looking to buy them. They were appalling, so I've just done a quick little shot for some of the features that I was looking for. And so I'm going to just do a couple of close-ups so you can see the brake system, which I haven't run yet. They're the new wheels, the new tyres that I'm going to change. To Continental, of course. Excuse my dirty bike. So it's front wheel, the hub. I was going to go with the aluminium braking surface. I ended up returning them because obviously I wanted something quite black in terms of coloration for the whole wheel. And I'm pretty pleased with paying the extra couple £100, about $9.50 from Wiggle. And I've got to switch out the brake pads. I actually bought some brake pads in expectation of receiving these, and then I finally now putting the wheels on. Here is the pack that comes in with the skewer, and then I noticed that actually there's some brake pads already that come with the wheel. Which I didn't know about. So I've got some extra spare ones for future reference. Hopefully those little close-ups help you understand what sort of braking system you're going to get. This is the 2017 wheel, I think, or 2018, I'm not sure. Either way, they're the second generation of the Exalith, and they have these curved profiles. So I think the old ones were really pointy, like V-shape, and so they've got this curved profile. So obviously just a carbon fairing. I guess there's an aluminium ring here, but obviously with the distinct braking pad system. And I haven't ridden it outside, as I've just got this back from the workshop, and I'm sure it's going to squeak a bit. That's what I've heard about these braking systems, but generally I'm pretty pleased with how the bike looks, and I'm glad I kind of went with that and spent an extra £150–200 on the alternative braking system.